Remember this video, that dog rescued from the jaws of an alligator? Well, that little dog right there that got away, look at him run away. He's got a new career in law enforcement by now. You've probably seen that viral video of Richard Wilbanks, that's his owner to the right, going into the pond in Estero to save his dog, Gunner.
And Gunner is so cute that King Charles there, which the Lee County Sheriff, has announced that Gunner is the newest recruit to Deputy Dog. So Gunner's duty will be to educate kids about keeping an eye out for danger, whether in the water or on dry land. What do you think about Gunner's new position?
I think that's fantastic. I think it's great. Yeah, you got to be careful around those that water, man. You never know, man.
I mean, gators. Can we hashtag that only in Florida?
Oh, it's definitely only in Florida.